What up, everybody? Super quick unboxing today. I got some kids Jordans. Just an unboxing. I can't try them on myself, unfortunately, but I can show you guys what they look like. So I got these shoes, and I really wanted to keep them for like future kids or something, just because I love the color, the little like tie-dye yellow. I was obsessed. I'm obsessed with this colorway. Like, I really love these shoes. Wanted to keep them for a future child. Even like the laces, they got like this like. So yeah, I got this cool lace print on here. Got a yellow sole inside. I just think like the yellow and pink just all go so well together. And then just a black Jordan embossed there. Even like the color of the sole, this like nice like peach color, whatever this is. It's like beautiful. And then the Arctic pink is like so nice. And then we got a yellow tongue with the white embroidered Jumpman on there. Another story about these shoes. All these shoes came in with like a bunch of like scuffs and everything all over them. So just a point where you can't really like trust what you're buying in the store 100% or like what you're getting from like the factory. There's still gonna be a lot of issues with the shoes. Like these ones had like scuffs like all over them, like dirt and like scuffs. I don't know what happened. I don't know if they like fell out of the truck or something, but yeah, super nice. It's got like a different kind of sole, which is really weird. I was feeling it earlier, and it's kind of like a fuzzy terry cloth kind of sole, which is very weird. And then you got that that like suede, that more like, it's more like nubuck actually. I don't even know. It's like a suede nubuck. I don't know why it's so like washed like this. Maybe it's because it's supposed to be like a mix like that. And then you got that peach sole, and it also ties in with the inside. You can see the mesh is also peach, and there's a little bit of peach on the tongue. It's so beautiful. Then we got that white leather, the yellow leather check. Very nice. A white hang, I forget the pull strap. White midsole. Super nice. Really love these shoes. Wish I could keep them, but I'm gonna have to let them go. I need to make some extra money, and these things flip for a lot. I really wish I could have sold them. Like, someone got lucky and sold these things for $200. Like, what the hell, bro? I'm gonna flip them for $100. It's pretty good, but like, damn, I really wish I could have sold them for that much. And I just love them too. Like, I just had them like on display in my room for like the longest time, just because of like how much I really like love these shoes. Super cool. Yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this quick unboxing. That's pretty much all. I'll do a quick preview at the end as well. And I did a sneaker video where these are in it, I think, as well, where I had a whole haul of kids shoes. You can go check that out. I'll put the link in the description. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe. And yeah, these were a size 11C, Jordan 1 Mid SE, Arctic Pink, University Gold. Peace.